Sasaki and Miyano Volume 6 Review. I keep missing my chance to tell him. Miyano has realized, at long last, that he has feelings for Sasaki, but now that he's acknowledged the fact of himself, he has no idea how to tell Sasaki. How do you confess to the one you love? It always seems so much easier in the BL manga he likes reading so much. Looming over the third years is a shadow of college entrance exams. It's Christmas and the exams takes place in January, and for Sasaki and Miyano, the exams also are a reminder of how soon Sasaki's final year will come to an end. It's an explorable passing of time, the catalyst that causes Miyano to feel the need to confess. Everyone else has noticed, it seems. Miyano's friend, Tashiro, just says matter-of-factly, I figured you and Sasaki-senpai had started dating, causing Miyano to do a far too relieving double take. The Miyano bumps into Hanzawa-senpai without Christmas shopping. Hanzawa's older brother appears and Eilig asks if the two are going out, causing Hanzawa to overreact, saying firmly, I can stand it when everyone always brings everything back to love. We'll learn more about Hanzawa here than at any other moment so far, is he insists to his brother that he likes women, but there's a question left hanging, an answer in the air. There seems to be a disconnection between the way Hanzawa reacts and what he says. Does he have feelings for Miyano? Later, he tells Miyano that his two brothers have come out their parents as gay. Hanzawa often comes across as a detached observer. We see him through Miyano's eyes, smiling secretively at something that has amused him, but no one else has been let in on the joke. But he isn't smiling when he offers Miyano some sobering words of advice about the difficulties in being in a single-sex relationship. Christmas passes, but Miyano can't stop thinking about Sasaki. He wants to tell how he feels, but there's always too many people around Sasaki. Sasaki must be sensing the tension too, because a snatched conversation on the stairs at school nearly ends in a kiss. Sasaki retreats, ashamed of his lack of self-control, and when Miyano goes after him, you can find him anywhere. Has he gone home? It's thanks to Hirano and Hanzawa that Miyano is able to track him down. Why? After all this time, we have these two never exchanged phone numbers. The time for hesitating is long past. In the deserted park, Miyano blurts out, at long last, the words that Sasaki's been hoping, launching to hear. These two, who have been chatting easily away with one another since their friendship first began, find that they have no more need for words as the manga delivers 5 impactful yet wordless pages. If you already watched the anime, you know exactly what happens in this volume as the TV series have been very faithful to the manga. Here, at last, we catch it to the climax and conclusion of the anime in the long-awaited sunset confession scene in the park. Even though it's only in black and white in the manga, the shared feelings will generate a warm glow in readers as this information has been a long time coming. Miyano calls Sasaki cute, and then he stumbles in his confession, hurriedly changing to, I mean cool, I think you're really cool. This reversal expected. Traditional BL relationship role is one of the strong points of the manga and keeps the story feeling fresh and engaging. After the intensity of the wintry park encounter, it's back to reality with the bump of Sasaki, like the other third years, as they sat exams to get through. And what, for this reader anyway, is the most touching chapter in the book. Miyano gets up early to go draw in the snow to see Sasaki off to school and wish him good luck on the station platform. This little chapter shows that Sho Harusuno is so good at capturing those ordinary little moments that go to establish and to cement a relationship and making them special, and it bodes well for where the mangaka takes the story next. If everything in the previous chapters was building up to this volume, the boy who loves reading BL denies vehemently that he's never felt that way himself in real life, eventually realizes that he's been in denial, and confesses to his best friend senpai, readers who want to see how this relationship deepens and develops. Leon Varvey continues to provide a convincing translation of the series of Yen Press, for providing 2 helpful pages of translation notes at the back. The lettering DK copes well with the many different challenges the text provides, from internal monologues to phone conversations. The manga's afterword is filled with interesting reflections and even a brief tempting preview of that's coming next in volume 7, but it's printed in the tiniest font ever, like the biblical graphic details at the back page. I had to resort to a magnifying glass to read it. Yen Press again provides 2 attractive color pages at the front. Sho Harasuna has a gift for using color to enhance her drawings, and these 2 images of Sasaki and Miyano half awake in early morning, facing up in glimpse from behind yet holding hands are delightful. These are 2 bonuses, chapters including on That's Shore to please the Hirano Kageura fans, and in the mangaka's afterward, she confirms that she had originally planned to end the story at this point, but then she started thinking it was unfair to make Sasaki wait so long for Miyano's answer without then giving him any reread, so we're going to have to wait until February to find out what's happened to Volume 7, but fans of Sasaki Miyano need to not despair as Yen Press are bringing us the first volume of the spin-off Hirano Kageura in November, followed by the novel in February. Yen Press, you're spoiling us. 9 out of 10.